This presentation introduces the Professional Certificate in Business Analytics from Analytics TX. At its core, this content is about a simple business problem. Numbers show up everywhere, but meaning does not. We will walk through what the certificate covers, why weak interpretation creates risk, and how this program helps people make better decisions. Let us start with a familiar scene in business. A number appears on a slide, people nod, and the room moves on. This certificate trains you to push past that habit by taking a step back. Start by asking how the data was collected and what the statistic actually supports. Focus on the shift from describing what happened to understanding why a statement might mean something different than what you can see. A lot of bad business decisions do not begin with bad math. They begin earlier in collection, organization, and sampling. Module 1 focuses on these hidden constraints, including sampling methods, frequency distributions, and reducing bias in decision-making. That matters because when the sample is too small, too biased, or too narrow, a business leader may feel confident while standing on weak ground. The certificate is structured as a clear process, not a pile of formulas. First comes collecting and organizing data well. Then the program moves into averages and variability, including mean, median, range, variance, and standard deviation, with attention to outliers and comparisons across teams, periods, segments, or divisions. Finally, probability is applied to business decisions like staffing, pricing, campaigns, and inventory risk, including the hard moment when your gut says one thing and the math says another. The examples make this content feel real without pretending business is neat. In the email case, a 16.7% open rate sounds encouraging until joint probability shows that only 4 or 5 in every 1,000 clients open all 3 emails, which changes targeting decisions. In digital advertising, a strong conversion rate among viewers does not mean the ad drove most purchases, especially when only 12% saw it. And in sales reporting, a 40% conversion rate can fall apart if the data only includes customers who answered a follow-up survey. This certificate is for people who sit in rooms where reports shape business decisions and want to ask better questions. It is not about calculation for its own sake. It is about understanding what a number means before budgets, staffing, pricing, or campaigns move forward. With about 3 hours of video content, 3 self-paced modules, and a 15-minute Viva with Dr. Crudy, the program offers a practical path to stronger judgment. When the next dashboard appears, will you accept the number or interrogate it?